Right, so I've got turbo off. As you can see, the fins are a bit bad, and there's something wedged just there inside. Now, actually, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a fair little bit of movement there. And this side turns. Now, when I'll turn it over, this side here, it's actually locked solid. There's no movement there with that. If I just turn this over, if you have a look at that there. So I'm spinning the other side of the turbo, and actually nothing's happened. So the shaft sits between here where the blades on has snapped, I'd say. I made to do a video and strip it down to show you what it looks like inside, if that's anyone's interested, you know, on that. Pop just a few pictures on Instagram later on, tomorrow or something. I've got a new turbo here, so I'll just show you the difference. So here's a new turbo. As you can see, there's no movement there. That spins really nice. And the back spins as well, really freely. Whereas on the other one, must have snapped somewhere between here on the shaft. And that's why the back had seized and the front wasn't turning at the same time with it. Also, when you put the turbos on, they supply a syringe, so you just pop that off at a feed. Once you've got the return pipe on, you just put the oil in and just turn it over, just to get the oil running through, really, so it doesn't start up and then it's dry. Otherwise you can cause damage to your turbo.